Hi guys, if your computer suddenly encounters the BSOD stop error code bad system config info, it means your Windows has detected a problem with your system files. To fix this issue, try the following steps which work on Windows 11 and Windows 10. So here is the quick fix. Click on Windows button, type cmd and run the command prompt as an administrator. Please note that we are going to run some Windows command that may take some time to scan and fix the error, so patience is highly required. Once open, type the following commands: dism /online /cleanup image /scan help. Press the enter button. Once that has finished, type the next command: dism /online /cleanup image /restore health, and press the enter button. And once that has finished, type the final command: sfc /scan now, and press the enter button. Once that has finished, restart your PC and your problem should be resolved. Stay safe.